Right now, from the Mississippi Live Weather Center, here's meteorologist Gabe Maynard.
Well, what a rainy afternoon it's been across North Mississippi. Those bands of tropical moisture that we've been talking about happening today are happening in full force. With a lot of heavy rainfall and even a few lightning strikes embedded within a few of those storms, but overall not expecting anything severe. Those chances do linger around through 4, 5, 6, even through 7 o'clock this evening. So any Friday night plans you may have need to have rain gear paired with it. Still very sporadic in development, but still enough to where we have chances widespread to where you need that rain gear handy. Into the rest of the night, those chances do dissipate just a bit, and you're seeing that right here. By 10 p.m., still very isolated in nature, so not seeing those widespread effects go all night long. So late Friday night, well, that'll be your time to get out and do any activities you have planned. Still seeing isolated development overnight, so that 10% chance lingers all night long with these isolated showers just popping up and moving through the area, even a few up there towards New Albany, Oxford, and then transitioning in that northeast direction towards Boonville and Tishomingo. So that's really what we're tracking through the overnight hours. A lot of these just going to be light showers, not anything too major to it. But by the time we get into the early to mid-morning, I mean, by the time we're waking up and heading out the door for our Saturday plans, you can see just how widespread these showers and storms get yet again. It's going to be a rainy, a stormy morning all the way around, and further into the afternoon, more chances trickle in. Hopefully not as widespread. Hopefully we do have at least a few breaks for our Saturday to get outside and enjoy our weekend. Low temperatures tomorrow morning, mid-70s, but temperatures by the afternoon not going to be nearly as high. We talked about with that rainy environment, the cloudy environment, it keeps those temperatures at bay in a very consistent temperature. So we start a little bit above average, but end a little bit below average. Seeing that right there, high temperatures, 89 degrees, so not going to be overly hot for your afternoon thanks to that rain-cooled air. And just those rain-cooled air, that rain that we're seeing all day long, that's really the story for our Saturday. Sunday sees a bit of that moisture linger around, but by the time we get towards Monday and Tuesday, a lot of those chances dissipate out, and really by Wednesday and Thursday, we'll see much drier conditions in place. But the dry weather comes at a cost. We're going to see temperatures back into the upper 90s by midweek. I hope you don't miss the heat too much because it will come back very shortly. Enjoy the rain-cooled air this weekend because those temperatures are on the climb. Just make sure to stay dry in the process and keep it here at Mississippi Live Weather for the very latest weather information.
I don't remember how it started.
Go to that.
Oh boy. Our back and forth. It always came back. Dad! You probably don't remember what you told me.
That was perfect.
But I heard every word.
March 24th, 2023 was a normal Friday. You know, we knew the weather was not good, but we needed to take shelter, and we didn't have shelter. My husband and almost 2-year-old daughter, Ethan and Riley, they did lose their lives in the storm. We're still recovering from it. We'll always be recovering from it. Matt Lawpon cares about the community. He's not just there to collect a paycheck. I feel like Matt Lawpon has proven himself trustworthy.